How to share experience in LinkedIn. Well, that is what I'm going to show you guys in this pretty quick and easy tutorial. So if this video helped you out, let me know in the comments and let's get started right away. So basically what you want to do is go to your profile. Once you are here in your profile, you first of all want to edit or add a profile section. So if you click on there, you then want to click on additional, and here you can see add volunteer experience, and you want to click on this. And once you click on there, here you obviously want to add your organization, your role, your cause. So you have, a bunch of different, causes. And then you can also select if you are still currently volunteering in this role or not. This depends, if you need to add an end date or not. Then obviously start date, description, and you can even add media, such as, for example, a picture where you are or a picture of the company. That is basically it. So then, you can simply click on save. Once you've saved that, over here, a section will appear like interest, skills, license, certification, education, activity, and stuff like that. Another section will basically appear here called experiences. And then your experience will be shown on this list. So yeah, that is basically it. That is how to share experience in LinkedIn.